The Glucksman Library welcomes all new and returning students. Library services are a little different this year with some restrictions due to COVID-19. We strongly encourage all students to access electronic books, online journals, and help from off-campus. You can access all these through the library website, ul.ie/library. To access the physical library, you must book your seat or book a visit in advance before coming into the library building. Study spaces are space for social distancing, and there are materials available for you to clean down the space before and after use. For your safety, please follow the new rules. You must wear a face covering or mask at all times in the library. Practice good hand hygiene, cough etiquette, and comply with the social distancing guidelines. On each floor of the library, you'll find a water fountain for refilling your bottles. Food is not allowed in the library.
I work at the library's information desk, and we are here to answer all your questions. Whether virtually or in the building, we will support you in every way we can, always maintaining a safe distance.
The library books and journals are what your lecturers expect you to use when you're preparing an assignment. Information on how many books you can borrow and for how long can be found on the library website. You can find full-text ebooks for your assignments by logging into the library website or via your module reading list in Solus or Moodle.
I am part of a team of UL students here to help you learn how to use the library. We answer whatever questions you have, and we will show you where to return books, how to borrow a laptop, scan a chapter of a book, and use the printing facilities in the library.
UL librarians can provide you with expert advice and training via our online workshops or with a virtual consultation through our Ask Us service. For help finding good material for your assignments, to find the best subject resources for your course, or for help writing your bibliography for an essay, visit the library website for details on upcoming workshops. Follow us on social media and be sure to send us a query via Ask Us or Instant Chat if you need help.
At the Glucksman Library, our aim is to continue to provide excellent library services with the student at the heart of everything we do. We have a great team of library staff who are looking forward to welcoming and supporting you, both online and in person, throughout your UL journey.